afternoon, my dears, my small little kids. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. So I am Jyoti Panji, your English teacher, and this is your English period. Right? So before starting our class, you know what we do? You know what we do? Yes, we do prayer. What we do? We do prayer. So my kids, all of you stand up. Yes, stand up all of you. Join your hands. Join your hands and close your eyes. Close your eyes. Again. Again. Open your eyes. Rub your hands and touch on your face. Rub your hands and touch on your face. So my dear sweet little children, you know which rhyme we have learned in our previous video and you have enjoyed also. Which rhyme is that? Teddy bear, right? So now we again revise that rhyme. Teddy bear, and after that we will start our writing letter E and one activity with that letter, right? So let us start the rhyme teddy bear. So all of you, teddy bear, turn around. Say all of you again with me. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Teddy bear, off to school. Very good, you are doing good. So, what we will do? We will do clap. Today, which clap you want to do? Today, which clap you want to do? Chapati clap, butterfly clap or DJ clap? Which clap you like? Chapati clap. Let's do chapati clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So my dear student, look at the board. Yes, my dear student, look at the board. We have learned some letters, right? We have learned some letters like letter L, right? Standing line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? L. After that, T. Which letter is this? T. Sleeping line, standing line. After that, which letter we have not? I. Which letter is this? I. Right. In previous video, you know, we have learned introduction of letter E. We have learned introduction of letter E. So today we are going to write letter E. Which letter? E. Okay. So look here. Do you know which are the things that start from letter E? Do you know? Okay. Look here. What is this? This is elephant. E for elephant. Now look here. E for eagle. E for egg. E for engine. E engine. E for elephant. E for emu. E for elbow. E for number 8. E for eraser. E for eraser. You erase. When you write in pencil, what you do? You erase it? Yes. E for eraser. Now, look here. How to write letter E? Look here. All of you look here. Dots are given here like this. What you have to do? First you have to write standing line. What you will do? First you will write standing line. After that sleeping line. Again sleeping line. Again sleeping line. So which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? E. Look here again. What we are going to do? We are going to write letter E. Which letter we are going to write? E. Look here. First what we have to write? Standing line. First standing line. Then sleeping line. Again sleeping line. Again sleeping line. Right? What we have to do? We have to write letter E. Very good, my dear. So, let us start writing in our notebook. And after that, we will do one activity. Right? Right. So, take out your book and start writing, all of you. Look here. First, Mama will put the dot in the notebook and after that you trace it. First, Mama will put the dot and after that you trace it. And after tracing, what we will do? We will write with the help of dot. We will write with the help of dot. So, tell your Mama to put the dot in the notebook and after that you start writing. Ready? Ready to write, all of you? All are ready to write? Say yes. Say loudly. Yes, ma'am. How we will write? Look here. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, again sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter E. Which letter is this? E. You have to see and write. What you have to do? You have to see and write. Again we will do pressing. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. So which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? E. Again standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. E. You have to write in 3 lines only. How many lines? 3 lines. So write neatly. Don't write out of the line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, again sleeping line. Which letter is this? E. E for eagle. E for elephant. E for number 8. E for engine. So, start writing neatly. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. So, which letter is this? E. Which letter is E? Don't get confused. letter E and English letter E. Right? In English, we write letter E like this. Okay? So again, standing line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. So which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? E. Very good. Now we will write with the help of dot. Now we will write with the help of dot. Right? So, Mama, parents, please put the dot on the notebook so that your kid can able to write properly in 3 lines. Look here, put the dots. Now we will write with the help of dot. Right? We will write with the help of dot. So first what we will do? We will write sleeping line from upper line to lower line. Sleeping line. Then sleeping line. Again sleeping line. And again sleeping line. Right? Right or not? Yes. So, again look here, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. Which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? E. Look here, standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line. Which letter is this? E. You have to say and write. What you have to do? You have to say and write. Again look here all of you. Mama will put the dots. Mama will help you to write letter E in your notebook. And you have to say and write. What you have to do? You have to say and write. Look here, standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line, again sleeping line. Which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? E. Look here, standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line. Which letter is this? E. Again we will do standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. Which letter is this? E. E for eagle. E for eagle. E for egg. E for engine. E for elephant. E for emu. E for elbow. E for number 8. E for eraser. E for earth. We live on earth? Yes. So E for earth. Good children. After writing this, we will do one activity, and that activity you have to paste in the letter. You have to paste in the notebook, right? And one more thing you have to do. Look here. Look here. This is your practice book, right? And look here, page number 34. Which page number is this? 34. Look here. First you have to trace the finger right here. Standing line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. Which letter is this? E. So first trace here, letter E, and after that circle. Circle the letter E in there. This letter E? Yes. So circle it. This is letter E? Yes. Circle it. Again, here, letter E. Circle it. Again letter E, circle it, right? So what you have to do, you have to complete this page number 34. Page number 34. right? So complete it. Now it's time for activity. Look here, this is a colorful page and this is letter E. Your mama will draw the letter E and you color it with yellow color. You color yellow color, right? So E for egg. E for egg. You color the letter E. Then what is this? This is the egg. So what we will do? First, we will paste letter E here on the page, right? So look here. What I am doing? I am pasting letter E on that colorful paper. So look here. I am pasting this letter E here. You have seen egg. Inside it yellow yolk is there, outside white color, right? Outside white color. Now we will make cover of letter of egg and we will cover it, right? Paste the Fevicol or glue on the paper like this. Now paste it here. E is coming out of the egg. What is coming? E. E is coming out of the egg. So, this activity you have to do in your notebook and paste it in your English notebook, right? Look here, like this. Yes, E is coming out of the egg. Look here, like this you have to do this activity and paste in your English notebook, right? So my dear student, look here. This is your today's work. You have to complete letter E in your notebook and you have to complete in your practice book also, page number 34. And you have to do this activity and paste in your note. Okay, now I am winding up my class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Look after yourself and your family also. Use sanitizer, wear mask. Bye. Have a nice day. Miss you all.